Hi, my name is Olimpia Modorcea. I am a life transformation and personal development coach and the founder of Happy in Life. I'm delighted to invite you today to join me at the Best You Expo in Kensington, Olympia on the 16th and 17th of February 2018. Come early. It's a lot to explore. There are 300 exhibitors, 150 speakers, and so much more. So be ready for an intense day. Now, if you are really passionate about what you do, most probably you are continuously aiming for the next level. You develop new strengths, you create new habits, you manifest new things, you make a difference in the world, and you impact people's lives. And most probably, you are neglecting yours, your emotions, your desires, what's most important for you in life until that very moment when something major can happen. Health issues, broken marriage, anxiety, stress, limitless anger, addictions. So you don't have to deal with this alone if you feel you can relate to what I said. I'm here to take care of your emotions. When you feel ready, I'm here to guide you to get your life back, to find your own strength, your own answers, your own major decisions within yourself. I was there. I know how easy it is to lose track of what's real, to lose track of who you became. So, if you want to connect with me, I will be in zone 5, passion to profit, stand 26. You can also contact me via my webpage, www.happyin.life. I look forward to see you at the expo. Bye for now.